Get ready, Aroostook! A winter storm is about to hit hard. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning from 9 a.m. Sunday to 1 p.m. Monday. Heavy snow, high winds, and blowing snow will create dangerous travel conditions. Snow starts south mid-morning and reaches the north by lunchtime. Expect over an inch per hour, possibly 2, with totals ranging from 1 foot in the south to 2 feet in the St. John Valley. Wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour will cause whiteouts. Travel is not advised. Stay safe and stay tuned for updates. Conditions improve late Monday into Tuesday. Prepare now, Aroostook.